We are now shifting our focus. We're getting some breaking news on the broadcast. Let's take a look at that. We're now learning that the centre will be renaming the Manrega scheme. The NDA government has tabled a bill in the Lok Sabha where the Manrega scheme now will be termed as Viksit Bharat Ji Ram Ji Bill, which is a guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika mission. The Grameen mission. So this is an introduction of this bill in the Lok Sabha. It's called the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Grameen Bill 2025, and which if passed will be replacing the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. My colleague Payal Mehta with the details. Payal, this is going to be historic if at all this is passed, and this is going to be replacing the Manrega. The centre, while introducing this bill, the argument that has been in fact presented, what is that?
Well, the government has decided to rename the bill to, Ji Ram Ji bill, like you just mentioned. Viksit Bharat is the overarching theme. Given the fact that every sector has to be developed, nonetheless, people have to be taken into confidence before 2047, because given the fact that Prime Minister Narendra Modi set a deadline or 2047 for a developed India as well. And that is the reason last week this cabinet has passed this real bill as well. We'll have to just wait and see the minor details of the bill, because I'm given to understand that the entire scheme stands rehauled over here. But the naming itself is going to create a huge can of worms. It's going to create a huge controversy of sorts, because the removal of Gandhi's name is going to cause a huge flutter in the opposition parties. Opposition parties are expected to raise a huge storm over it, that every legacy of Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru is being removed by this government. But the argument on the government's part when they introduce the bill later this afternoon in Lok Sabha is that we want to name everything behind the country and call it Viksit Bharat. We are not naming this behind Prime Minister Narendra Modi or anybody from the BJP. So Viksit Bharat guarantee scheme, as far as employment is concerned, which was called Manrega earlier, is now going to be called VB, which stands for Viksit Bharat, and Ji Ram Ji, which is of course an abbreviation for Ajivika, which is being guaranteed to people.
Right, absolutely. Payal, we are learning of how this particular bill talks about a revamped rural employment guarantee, and this is what has been added. Any more details that you are picking up as far as this presentation of the bill is concerned?
Well, the bill is likely to be presented this afternoon, is what we are given to understand. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, who is the Minister for Rural Development, will be introducing this bill as well for passage. Whether the bill gets passed today or not, we don't really know. Today, the bill is going to be introduced. The government is more than keen on passing this bill in this session, and therefore, a whip has been issued to Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha both for the remaining part of the week, where crucial bills, including the atomic energy bill, etc., will be brought in as well. What form it comes in, that's of course for the government to explain to the parliament, explain to the opposition in particular, because they will be up in arms. The government saying that you have renamed the bill, you've done away with the Mahatma Gandhi impact of the bill, and the Gandhi name has been allergic to you, and that's the reason you've really removed it as well. So let's wait and see when this gets introduced in parliament and what the reactions really are, Priya.
Well, absolutely. We are waiting for the Congress's reaction on this introduction that is going to be done very soon, as Payal is mentioning. Payal, we were also going through the details of what this new bill really entails. It talks about how the minimum days guaranteed for employment, that will be increased from 100 to 125. Also, the daily wage goes upwards to 240 rupees, 50 rupees per day. These details are slowly also trickling in.
Yes, the bill is going to be available in the details in some time, given the fact that, you're also at making life easier and better for, the Shromiks in particular. That's something which Manrega really guarantees as well. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government has always been of the opinion that we are looking at a developed India by 2047. All steps need to be taken in that direction, and therefore the bill gets that name from there. Let's just wait and hear from the government in terms of what the nuances and what the finer points really are, and in terms of how the bill is set to be a completely overhauled bill, if I may say so, and what are the reasons, what are the arguments that they're being given for that as well.
Well, absolutely, Payal. Thank you so much. Remember, Manrega has been implemented on October 7th, Mahatma Gandhi's Jayanti in 2009, and now the current government is planning to overhaul that bill.